We have always believed, or were made to believe, that for good photos we need to have professional equipment with very extreme settings, lenses that reach everywhere, and internal and external flashes. All that stuff. Things that are certainly important, but to get them, you don't need to spend excessive amounts of money, since technology is so advanced today that cameras, for the most part, have what it takes to get great pictures. Beginners who love photography could take it to the next level by purchasing a camera that allows them to take high-level quality photos. These cameras can be seen as a long-term investment, so you should choose the one that best suits your needs and has a long service life. Let's dive into the best cameras for beginners in 2025. If you seek the most exceptional value in 2025, the Olympus OM DM10V Mark IV is the clear choice. This camera is not only compact and lightweight, but also packs a punch with its enhanced video capabilities. This thing is inspired by the classic Olympus OM film cameras from the 70s. We're looking at a stylish design and modern features like an electronic viewfinder and a touchscreen. The EM10 Mark IV houses a new 20MP sensor, an upgrade from the previous model's 16MP, delivering stunningly detailed photos and smooth bokeh effects even in challenging lighting. Its screen flips 180 degrees for easy selfies, and the improved autofocus system ensures sharp focus and video tracking. This camera shines with a 5-axis image stabilizer, an electronic viewfinder, and built-in Wi-Fi for seamless connectivity. It offers 16 artistic filters, expandable to 31 for creative expression, along with 9 advanced photo modes to simplify capturing tricky shots. Plus, it records in 4K for crisp video. Built with a magnesium alloy body, the EM10 Mark IV feels premium without being as heavily sealed as the EM5 or EM1. Its user-friendly design includes 2 convenient dials on top for adjusting aperture and shutter speed, eliminating the need for menu diving. Customizable keys like FN1 and FN2, etc. allow quick access to your favorite settings, enhancing use of ease. Overall, the Olympus OM DM10V Mark IV strikes a perfect balance between advanced features and intuitive operation, making it an excellent investment for newcomers eager to explore the world of photography. Considering the price tag, we're very impressed here. Up next, meet the Canon EOS Rebel SL3, a top choice for a beginner DSLR enthusiast in 2025. This camera stands out with its 4K video capabilities and classic DSLR feel compete with an optical viewfinder. It's perfect for those who appreciate traditional camera handling while enjoying modern technology. The Rebel SL3 features a 24.1 MP CMOS sensor that delivers detailed photos and vibrant 4K videos. It's equipped with dual-pixel CMOS AF, ensuring quick and accurate focusing. Compatible with Canon EF and EFS lenses, it offers plenty of options for expanding your photography skills. The camera also accepts SD, SDHC, and SDXC memory cards, giving you flexible storage options. This model retains the beloved design of the Rebel series, adding a user-friendly 3.0-inch LCD touchscreen for easy navigation and great selfies. The screen's flexibility makes it simple to capture the perfect shot from various angles. Whether you're recording a family event or capturing stunning landscapes, the SL3 makes it easy to create and share your favorite moments. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 excels in both still images and video, capturing fine details and vibrant colors, from rich reds to deep blues. You can even extract high-quality frames from your videos, ensuring that every memory is preserved with clarity. In a competitive world of mirrorless cameras, the Rebel SL3 remains a strong contender for those who prefer a traditional DSLR experience. Its combination of advanced features and ease of use makes it an ideal choice for newcomers eager to explore photography in its many forms. Quality stuff. The Sony ZV-E10 is another highlight on the current market, a top choice for beginner videographers in 2025. This camera is a game changer for creators aiming to produce stunning content with ease. It boasts a 24MP APS-C sensor that captures vibrant images and records in crisp 4K. The fully articulated touchscreen makes it perfect for selfies and vlogging, letting you frame shots effortlessly. The ZV-E10 shines with its cinema picture profiles, offering 10 distinct looks to give your videos a cinematic flair. Its standout features include headphone and microphone ports, essential for capturing clear audio, and a variety of accessories for a smooth shooting experience. While the ZV-1 had a smaller sensor, the ZV-E10 features a larger 24.2 MP APS-C sensor similar to the one in the Sony Alpha A6000 series. This means better image quality and dynamic range, particularly in low light settings. With video capabilities of 4K at 30p and Full HD at up to 120 FPS, this camera allows for a range of creative filming options. For still photography, it offers 24.2 effective megapixels, producing sharp photos at up to 6,000 by 4,000 pixels. The 3-inch OLED touchscreen with 921,600 dots is bright and clear with adjustable settings including a sun mode for outdoor shooting. Equipped with a hybrid autofocus system with 425 points, the ZV-E10 combines phase and contrast detection for fast, precise focusing. This makes it easier to capture sharp, in-focus shots whether you're filming yourself or the world around you. Designed with vloggers in mind, the Sony ZV-E10 offers impressive features in a user-friendly package, perfect for beginners ready to dive into video creation. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Now we want to talk about the Nikon ZFC, the runner-up choice for beginner photographers in 2025. Combining retro charm with modern technology, this camera is designed to captivate both in appearance and functionality. It's lightweight yet solid in your hands, offering a comfortable shooting experience despite lacking a traditional grip. This makes it ideal for use with smaller lenses like the standard 1650mm zoom. The ZFC shines with its classic dials for speed, exposure, and sensitivity, complemented by control wheels on both the front and back. Unlike some cameras, it features a mode dial that prioritizes user-friendly operation. Additional configurable shortcuts and a quick menu, accessed via the I button, enhances its intuitive interface. Its fully articulated monitor is perfect for capturing creative angles in video recording. Performance-wise, the Nikon ZFC excels in face and motion tracking, delivering sharp images with impressive dynamic range. It's quick to start, allowing you to snap spontaneous street and travel photos with ease. While its continuous burst mode may not suit action-packed scenes, this camera thrives in capturing everyday moments. In terms of low-light performance, the ZFC exceeds expectations. You can push the ISO up to 12,800 with minimal noise, making it ideal for night photography. Though not designed for high-speed sports or action shots, this camera is perfect for those who want to enjoy leisurely photography outings, offering a nostalgic nod to the beauty of classic cameras. Overall, the Nikon ZFC is a delightful companion for capturing life's adventures, blending style with substance for those ready to explore the world of photography. And now, meet the Canon EOS R10, the top pick for beginners in 2025, blending advanced features with user-friendly design. This camera is perfect for those eager to elevate their photography skills, offering a 24MP APS-C sensor that captures stunning images and videos. It's the only entry-level model that records full HD video at 120 FPS, enabling creative slow-motion effects. The Canon R10 shines with its robust, ergonomic design, making it comfortable for long shoots. Its fully articulated touchscreen allows easy navigation and creative framing from any angle. The RF mount supports Canon's latest lenses, providing more options to enhance your photography. Plus, in-body stabilization ensures your photos and videos are clear and shake-free. Connectivity is a standout feature of the R10. With USB-C, you can transfer files, charge, and control the camera remotely. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth let you seamlessly connect to your smartphone or tablet. Using the Canon Camera Connect app, you can edit and share your work instantly or use your device as a remote shutter. The camera also supports the VFT R10 wireless transmitter for fast, secure wireless connections. The Canon EOS R10 doesn't just excel in daylight. Its intelligent deep learning AF keeps subjects in focus across the entire frame, even in low light. It excels at tracking eyes and faces, making it perfect for portraits and action shots. The camera can follow animals, ensuring your furry friends are never out of focus. With 4K video capabilities and up to 60p and no recording limits, the EOS R10 is versatile enough for any project. Its vertical shooting mode is ideal for creating content tailored for social media, making it a fantastic tool for aspiring creators. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best. You got it.